Our next topic is bins and histogram. So before we move to our visual histogram, we need to understand the concept of bins. So bins in Tableau can be considered as containers or boxes which store data that contain the data of a particular size. That size can be considered as a divider or the bin size, and usually the bin size are of equal size, that is the data is distributed equally depending on the bin size as a equal interval of that size, and these can be created manually, or usually Tableau, being a smart tool, creates it automatically depending upon the minimum and the maximum value of the measure on which the bins are being created. So let's see an example. Suppose we have a data set that contains data starting from 1 and ending at 100. So it has data something like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till 98, 99 and 100, and bin size is 10. So how the data will be divided is, at every interval of 10 there would be a division and there would be bins created at every interval of 10. So the entire data set of 100 would be divided into 10 bins, and the division would be something like bin 1 ranging from 1 to 10, then it would be bin 2 from 11 to 20, bin 3 21 to 30, bin 4 31 to 40, bin 5 41 to 50, bin 6 51 to 60, bin 7 61 to 70, bin 8 71 to 80, bin 9 81 to 90, and bin 10 91 to 100. So this is how the bins are being created depending upon the bin size in Tableau, and usually the bins are of equal size like shown in the example also. But in some cases, if the data set is not equal and bin size at the end, the last bin may contain some of the lesser values depending upon the last value or the maximum value of the bin. So that's how the bins are being created in Tableau. Let's see how to create one in the Tableau. So now I have opened the Tableau worksheet and I'm using the orders table from the sample superstore. Let's see how to create bins. So like I told you, bins are usually created on the measures, the numeric values. So let's scroll down to the measures. We have discount, profit, quantity and sales. So any of the four measures can be used for creating bins. Let's create bins on profit. So right click on profit and click on create. When we click on create, it will ask you for four options. Select bins from it. Once you click on bins, a dialog box appears. Let's see what it suggests. First is new field name. So here by default it gives the measure name and in bracket it gives bin. So we can change the name. Here we are creating the bins for profit. So it is renaming it as profit in bracket bin. So we can rename it as per our requirement. Let's say I am renaming it bins of profit. This is the name I need to give to the bins I need to use. So this is the name I gave. I can rename it. Then comes size of the bins. Like we discussed in the example where bin size was 10. Here we can like give the size of the bin as per our requirement. So suppose I need the bins at an interval of 500. I can give the value as 500. So what happens is now the data of profit starting from the lowest value and till the maximum value. All the data will be divided into bins of 500 and will be divided accordingly. So this is one way where we can create bins of the size we want. But suppose we are not sure of the data to which size it should be, so we can use Tableau's advanced analytics and we can use this suggest bin size. So when we click on suggest bin size, it automatically divided it to 283. So how it does is it starts from the maximum to the minimum and it collates the entire data, divides it in equal intervals, and then suggests the size of the bins so that the entire data is being covered equally into bins. So accordingly it gives the size. So it's totally your wish how you want to create those bins. So we can either give it as per our wish or we can use the suggestions given by Tableau. Another way we can use size of the bins is by creating a parameter. So if you choose a create a new parameter, it will redirect you to a new window where you can create a new parameter. We'll see how to create the parameters in further aspect of the course. But for now, you can just take a note of it that we can also choose the parameters to create the size of the bins. So this is how we create the size of bins and this is how we name the bins, and the information at the bottom is just for the reference that the column that we used, that is the profit, has this particular range of values. The minimum is this minus 6600, maximum is 8400, difference is 15,000. This is how the profit range of values is being divided. So this is how we create bins. Now we can click on OK. Once we click on OK, we can see the column we created, bins of profit, under the dimensions we created. So this is how we create bins in Tableau.
If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.